Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling developer options so you can change system behavior. This is required because the phone lacks a user toggle for floating windows. Once done, enable USB debugging and connect the Infinix Smart 8 to a PC with ADB installed. Make sure the PC recognizes the device. Accept the debugging prompt on the phone. These 3 steps get you ready to run the single command that unlocks floating, resizable activity windows. No third-party overlays needed. Now you perform the critical ADB commands that enable freeform windows. First, verify your phone appears in a DB devices. If it does not, reauthorize USB debugging. Next, run the settings, put global enable freeform support command to turn on freeform support. After that, issue a DB reboot to reload system services and make the change stick. Once the phone boots, you'll have the system capability that allows apps to run in floating or resizable windows when launched. Final step, launch the app you want to float, open recent apps, then long press its card or use the 3-dot menu to choose freeform or pop-up view. The UI varies by build. Once in freeform, drag corners to resize and drag the title bar to move. This is how floating windows behave. If you don't see the option, make sure you reboot it after the ADB command. Clear the system UI cache, and if needed, repeat the enable command. That usually resolves the common problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.